ganda, oh. Tingnan nyo yung cruise ship from Chimchachoy. Ayan, aalis na siya. Yan ang cruise ship ng Hong Kong. Isn't that beautiful? Ganda, oh. Look. Wow. Ang ganda siguro niyan pag ano, no? Pag nakasakay ka. Bye-bye cruise ship. Bye-bye cruise ship. Hindi pa ako nakatry, makasakay ng, makatour-tour ng cruise ship. How I wish.